We are the last bunch of OGs, if we can say that. I really didn't want to make this about myself. This will be my last day as an Indian cricketer in all formats at the international level. I do feel there's a bit of punch left in me as a cricketer, but this will be the last day. And I've had a lot of fun. I must say I've created a lot of memories alongside Rohit and several of my other teammates, even though I've lost some of them over the last few years. We are the last bunch of OGs, if we can say that, left out in the dressing room, and I would be marking this as my date of having played at this level.
नहीं बिल्कुल, देखिए इतना एक्सपीरियंस है उनके पास, इतने मैचेस उन्होंने जिताए हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं अभी आपको किसी लेफ्ट या राइट में देखना है तो ये लोग नहीं रहेंगे।
ऑब्वियसली मैं कहूँगा कि ऑन फील्ड मेंटर जैसे मतलब वो मेरे साथ खेला हुआ हूँ, तो इतने सालों से हम दोनों एज ए बॉलिंग पार्टनर एक दूसरे को मैसेज पास ऑन करते रहे ग्राउंड में कि क्या मैच का सिचुएशन है, क्या बैट्समैन शॉट मारने को देखता है, क्या हम उसके अगेंस्ट प्लान कर सकते हैं। तो ये बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैं ऑब्वियसली मिस करूँगा।
Rohit Sharma, the Test captain, dropped a retirement bombshell. It came as a surprise to many. Was this the right time? Did he get an indication that you are no longer in the scheme of things from the Indian Cricket Board? Rohit, there were no flashy announcements, no main pal do pal ka shayar hu like a great man did 1929 some moons ago. It was just a simple Instagram story which would disappear after 24 hours. A test cap, a little caption, and that's it. Rohit Sharma walks into the sunset.
All in all, these are the bonds I would cherish for the rest of my life. We've shared some great memories on the field, of course. Watching him do what he did in the World Cup, as everyone mentioned, was really, really special.
आफ्टर विराट भाई रिटायर्ड, जो हमको हमारे सीनियर से ब्लूप्रिंट मिला पिछले 5-10 साल में कि हम कहीं भी जाके जीत सकते हैं, और उसी कॉन्फिडेंस और उसी ब्लूप्रिंट को हमारी फॉलो करने की कोशिश रहेगी।
Rohit and Virat being in the dressing room, so having seen them, having learned this from the seniors that I looked up to, it's something that I've understood and try and do in not just in Test cricket but in cricket overall. Just all you can do is your best in terms of preparation and giving yourself the best chance to succeed.